Morning.
Happy birthday, Aiden.
Happy birthday, Rapsil. Time check. 4:01 AM. We are heading to Camp 7. Magkuha mi sa baboy para lechonon o para lapaon later. Thank you sa sponsor.
Shout thanks to Dudo, Mama, Midnight Store sa Palechon.
Yes.
So, 134K dalasan.
Hey, buntag ganjod. Buntag ganjod kay dugay na human og limpyo and we're going to asa tagit?
Kuan, hatod para lechon. Hatod sa lechonagan. Ngayon, after hatod sa kanlay, para lutuon na para lapa. Then, upan nimi. Hahay!
Sorry, boss. Yo. Hey.
Hello!
Hotel, there's a party in that lobby. Be careful who you mess with, cause the hotel everybody. Miami where all that ass from, and the girlfriends got one too. Now it ain't my birthday, baby, but I wanna see you in her in your birthday suits. I was like, hey, she was like, yo. I was like, bowling, she was like, so. Wanna hit BTs, wanna hit Scarlets, wanna hit Tootsies, baby, let's go. She was more like Inga, I'm talking about a killer. I put her on the mic, beat it up like thriller. She the best friend, said bring one more, another bad one. You already know, let's go. I got two brunettes and a blonde one on the yacht getting butt booty naked. Nah, that's Miami problem. They titties look just like Baywatch, but they ass from the 305. You can do a lot on Deco Drive, or you can do a lot on my Deco now. She said, hey, I said, dímelo. She was too hot, I couldn't say no. So I closed the tab, jumped straight in the car when I'm straight. Got Ultra, yeah, straight to the mo. She was like a Rico when I was all in her. And if you go to Kendall, they all Kendall Jenners. Now you out of towners know what time it is. 305, welcome to the crib. Miami, these girls speak my language. Russian roulette, sexy. Body speaking Spanish. Damn, I love Miami. Damn, Miami loves me. Damn, I love Miami. There's nothing like it, trust me. I always say I got that geek, that little man, I got that too. Dreamwood got that geek, that little A, they got that too. Leo got that geek, that Oblaka got that too. Kansas City got that geek, that little city got
Human na ang laag. Uli na, go home na. Kaya ata nag-charge eh. Sa
dapat pinarihan kasi yung papa nga butan. Number 2 is 1. Dapat stay liwat sa papa. Ya, katulo kay natural lang nila nga padlong umur.
Parehas gapon papa. Parehas gapon.
Gusto lang kay kulang lang. Explore lang ako. Sa dali pa disiplina nga, pinta ko ko.
lalabas mas papa.
Silang, naraman si mama.
Okay, mommy at more. Ipapawag daw pa bata, sir.
Very simple na siya akong wish para sa akong baby.
Nila ka ba na ganiho? Nila ka karon. Isayaw ka guys. Isayaw.
I just want him to go on like live a long, happy, and a purposeful life. No, just na. Okay, I know man, daghan kaayo siya makatunan pa diri sa world. Since baby pa man siya, it's a long way. There's a long way to go for him, but paano dyan? Unta, mahal promise sa mga people around us na dako siya to be a good man. Nora.
And of course, dito sa nato palampason na dinising patingog ang nagilak niyang lolo. O lola. Kailak na si sir. Sir, kung sa ibisahin ni mo sa gidikanan ni Hayden, advice din mo na message para sa inahan.
Akong advice ni Rapsil nga, ilang mag-6 na ka na ko, di mo naman samahan pa niya.
Sorry tayo sir, but I against the team mo sir. And of course, ang atong mother queen, mami, mauna ko daw ito niya, i-copy-paste lang daw niya. Sa the other side, asang mula sa other side. Lola sa turun. Asang mang lolo. Hi sir. Tatay, misahin ni mo sa imuhang pinalanggang ako. Tagay kulog-tupa tayo ni Kuya. Okay, so that was, how about the very, magkwanta ni sa godparents. Godparents from the birthday boy, ang katong second parents. Ayun na sila. Can we mention from the godparents, may request ang akong inaanak. Hello sir.
Akong birthday wish ni Andres, live a
kaduhang kanan ang mama ni Santa. Kato siya kay sa papa kato si Godparents. Ate Joanna.
With help from our aid